We're at Telco AI Summit Europe, and I'm joined by Natali Delic from VIP Mobile. Natali, could you tell me what are the current challenges for CXOs in the telco industry?
Wow, the question is a really big question. Let me just point out two things. I would say first thing is digital transformation. Telcos did not finish it. We are in the process of digitally transforming our businesses, our core business, and there are so many ongoing projects still in that area. And the second really big challenge is what is coming, and that is 5G, because 5G will require us to reinvent and reshape our organizations. It imposes new challenges and with huge investments that are expected, and on the other side, the business case for monetization is not so straightforward. So that will be an interesting challenge and interesting environment to work in.
Oh, that's great. And could you also tell me what the key takeaways are from your keynote session on data as a force for change?
Yeah, I structured my my keynote around organizational changes and challenges that are in front of us due to implementation of machine learning and, at certain point in time, artificial intelligence. So we are talking about the forces of change that are so strong that are disrupting our organizations. They are disrupting us from the way how we do things, for our business models, how we serve our customers, from the perspective of skills that we need, from the perspective of organizational structure that we need in order to do these kind of projects. We will need a lot of partnerships. We will need a lot of retraining and upskilling of existing employees. So I gave some examples of our challenges, and I proposed some of the ways how we could possibly address those challenges. And I'm advocating to have really comprehensive AI competence center, which is covering data governance and engineering, skilling, education, management, portfolio management of AI initiatives, also to appoint Chief Artificial Intelligence Officer. That is not Chief Digital Officer. This is new role requiring some new skills and experience. And last but not least, I'm advocating that we need to have AI ethics boards in all telco companies, because especially with 5G, we will have, we will influence society so much with 5G, and AI will support 5G. So we need to be socially responsible in these implementations.
That's great. How do you envision data science adapting in the next 2 to 5 years?
I think that all of us in telcos would like it to be faster in management levels, because we see so much potential in using more of machine learning and AI in our daily business. We see huge development. That is something that we've seen here in the conference also. We see a lot of implementations in network domains. I think that is because it's easier to address that domain, less ethical questions compared to customer-facing domains. But we need to go into customer-facing domains. So in the next 2 to 5 years, I'm expecting much more cases in customer-facing domain. And of course, we will continue, and we will have probably most of manual operations, most of manual work in network domain will probably be automized and somehow driven by machine learning and AI within 5 years.
That's great. In addition to the implementation of automation use cases, what is next in the pipeline for VIP Mobile?
VIP Mobile is part of A1 Group, and we are having, let's say, centralized governance on what we are doing. And I think that we need to understand we just started. What we are doing now, it's just the beginning. We just scratched the surface, and there will be so much coming with 5G. That will be the focus area. Now we already started working on some algorithms, and focus area is 5G and automation, and that will for sure stay in the next years.
Wow, and what do you like about coming to Telco AI Europe to discuss the challenges and what we can expect next? What do you like about the content this year?
This is my third year in a row that I'm in this event, and I can really recommend it. And why? AI is uncharted territory for telcos. So we have to understand and accept the fact that we do not know. We even do not know what we do not know. And I see this event as an opportunity to openly share both success stories and challenges, and to learn from others, to offer of course your own experience, to share that so that others can learn from you. And in that way, through this collaborative open platform of sharing knowledge and experience, we can grow as an industry. So why should someone come to this event? Because this is not a competition stage, this is learning stage.
Absolutely. And it's been great talking to you, Natali, and I look forward to seeing you at the next Telco AI Summit.
It was my pleasure.
Thank you.